Welcome to this week's video, and the star of the video is this presentation pack, which is a brilliant and circulated Team GB 50p coin. And what makes this so special for me is the fact that I think it was the end of May, I sniped this on eBay for around the £4 mark, and to cap that off, it was free postage. So what a result, a bargain in my opinion. So here we have it. It's from the Royal Mint, and it's in this sort of packaging. And what I'm going to do, even though I don't need to because it's just one card, I'm going to take it out of that so that I don't get any glare when I'm going to actually show off the coin itself. So let's get into this. And there we have it. Team GB 2016 UK Brilliant Uncirculated 50p coin. Treasured for life from the Royal Mint. And let's have a look at the back so we can see the coin. We've got this hologram there with Team GB on it, and then we've got the coin specs. So we'll have a look at those in a second, because first of all, I want to check out this information. Thank you for purchasing this official licensed Team GB product. Enjoy this product and show your support for Team GB. As the nation and Team GB get ready for Rio 2016, the Royal Mint has struck a new 50p coin, the only official United Kingdom coin endorsed by Team GB. The reverse of the coin was created by design consultancy Uniform and celebrates the spirit of the British Olympians, the men and women who believe in extraordinary and remind us to strive for our own personal best. This coin is struck to brilliant uncirculated standard. And then we move over to the coin specs. So the denomination is 50p, the alloy is copper nickel, the weight is 8 grams, diameter 27.30 millimeters. The reverse designer is Tim Sharp, and obverse designer Jody Clark, and of course the quality is brilliant uncirculated. So let's check out the coin itself. And there we have it. We're starting off with the obverse of the coin, and true to form, I'm getting some glare off the light just because of the white background on the packaging. So 2016, Jody Clark's 5th portrait of the Queen, and I don't know if you can see that, but there is a slight bit of toning at the very top of this coin, but that doesn't bother me. Just adds a little bit of character. And there it is, the reverse of the coin. And we all know it, of course, because it's a 2016 coin, and it's one that you can find in circulation. But you won't find one in this condition. That looks absolutely amazing. And there we have it. That is the Team GB 2016 50p coin, brilliant uncirculated version. And it just goes to show that if you keep your eyes peeled and you're willing to hang on in there, you can still pick up some great, amazing deals on eBay. So let me know in the comment section below, have you got this coin? Have you got it in the packaging? And also, why not let me know what bargains you might have picked up on eBay recently? Leave it in the comment section below because it always interests me. If you're new around here, why not hit that subscribe button because I release new coin content weekly. Thanks for watching.